So today I will be following Kourtney Kardashian's diet. Now she follows a gluten-free, dairy-free diet. She is very healthy, eats all organic, and she has a lot of fun, really yummy recipes on her website, Poosh. So lucky for me, I have a pretty good framework of what she likes to eat. And today I will be eating just like her and seeing what it's really like to eat and live like a Kardashian. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm making today is probably one of her more known recipes. It's like this avocado shake, smoothie, pudding, a lot of words for it. It's a little strange. There's a whole avocado in it, milk, sweetener, a bunch of little add-ins. Gonna be interesting. So that's gonna be my breakfast. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that. So to make this, I need a whole avocado, vanilla protein powder, a stick of Brain On, which I will not be using because it was really expensive, some macadamia nut milk, which I'm subbing for almond milk, some MCT oil, stevia, and ice. And she blends it all together, and it's a very hearty smoothie, like literally a whole avocado. Like also avocado is like $1.50, so this smoothie is gonna cost me like about $3 to make. But people say it's really good, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the shake. It smells like avocado. It smells really green. I think it might be the protein powder I got. I made Jordan one too. You ready? Sorry. Did you taste it? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's actually not bad.
I kind of love it. You would like it. It doesn't taste like avocado.
No, it actually doesn't taste like. It's like a little bit, but.
What? Did you get flavored? Is it Vital Proteins?
No, I used like a hemp vanilla powder because that was the only.
It's really good, actually, Ella.
Ooh.
I like it.
I like it too.
So I actually don't like avocado.
Oh.
So this is even more of a, you know.
I don't think it tastes aggressively like avocado. It's like slightly, but. I think I like it actually.
It tastes like avocado to me. You don't like it? I think it's like it's. Ooh. I think it's good. I rate this for morning breakfast a 8 out of 10.
I think I would say 7 out of 10.
Oh.
I don't know if I'd make it again, but like I'm not enjoying it.
Yeah,
I wouldn't crave
I feel
it.
like having this every morning is a bit much.
There's a whole avocado in this. She just has like a lot of like little things in her diet that are very expensive.
Oh, yeah.
So not for the average person. But I mean, so far, pretty good. I'll see you guys at lunch. Okay, so I actually totally forgot this, but Kourtney doesn't drink coffee. So I'm running into a problem right now where I'm really tired and no source of caffeine. So I'm gonna wait it out. I know she does like matcha. I don't have matcha here, but maybe I can like go somewhere and get it this afternoon because I just know I'm gonna be so tired. Like I really rely on caffeine. So that's actually another challenge for today. No caffeine or minimal caffeine. Bright side is the smoothie is keeping me very full. Although I am really craving carbs. I do like to have more carbs in my breakfast, but yeah, hopefully lunch is good. Okay guys, so for lunch I'm gonna be making her go-to salad. It was on Poosh. It is like a chicken salad kind of with lettuce, cucumbers, carrots, and then more avocado. I'm supposed to use a whole other avocado. I'm just gonna do half, kind of modifying a bit. It's pretty simple actually. Like I feel like it might be kind of bland though, but I'll try. Okay, so this is the finished salad. I mean, it doesn't look as pretty as hers, but like pretty simple, I guess. The only thing is it took a while to make the dressing. I guess like if she eats this every day, she probably just has the dressing on hand. Like that would be easier. So not as much of a quick meal as I would have hoped. However, it tastes okay. Like it's kind of boring, but it's good. I think I'd like probably make this again. I don't know, maybe add some more stuff, but yeah, it's just really simple. What I've noticed though, it doesn't eat a lot of carbs. I love carbs. I eat like bread like every meal. And she also eats very healthy. A lot of like meat. I don't really eat a lot of meat, and a lot of like the same things. Like I've already used 2 avocados today. Luckily there's no avocado with dinner, but you know, normally I would go through 2 avocados in one day. My rating for this, I would say like a 7 or 8. Let's do 8 out of 10. It's just kind of like bland, but it's good for what it is. Next stop, we're going to Alfred's. Kourtney goes to Alfred's a lot. I'm not 100% sure what she gets, but she does get matcha, so I'm getting that. I've had it there before. It's really good, really exciting. I think that might be the most exciting part of the day. Her diet's a little boring, but this should be good. Do you guys get matcha too?
Yes! With extra liquid sugar.
I got less liquid sugar. I feel like Kourtney probably does less liquid sugar.
Yeah, she definitely wouldn't have liquid sugar, but it adds the taste.
It does. Okay, got the matcha. I feel like Kourtney's probably been to this Alfred's too. Scott Disick was here today. We didn't see him. Just missed him. Pretty good. Excited for the chili tonight?
I've been looking forward to this chili all day and all night.
If it's bad though, it's Kourtney's fault.
It's Kourtney's fault. I feel like it'll be good.
It's like keto and gluten-free and dairy-free.
I'm actually really excited.
Hopefully it's good. So I currently have the chili on the stove right now. It smells good. It's definitely like a pretty simple recipe. However, I'm not a big chili person, so I feel like this will be something I like. I'm actually really excited. It smells so good, and I'm really hungry. Okay, here's the chili. Did you try it? What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah, it's
Wait, really?
amazing. It's really good.
Hey.
Kourtney and I like the sour cream and cheese.
It is good. Actually, on the post it said you could add cream or sour cream and cheese. She also suggested cauliflower tortilla chips. We got regular tortilla chips.
I got Fritos. Yum.
I'd say this is a good Kourtney recipe.
Wow. Ella, you killed it.
Thank you. Kourtney killed it. Her recipe.
Kourtney.
Okay, so I figured since I'm eating like Kourtney today, I try to work out like her. So we're gonna do the 6-minute butt workout that she did with Addison Rae. We have all the roommates here. Finally got them to work out with me.
Okay, Ella, don't. Wait, is this Addison's one?
Yeah.
The first 3
It
minutes
is.
start with regular donkey kicks. So just go like regular stuff in, and then you'll do that for 30 seconds. And okay, 30 seconds on the left leg.
All right.
And then after that entire minute's up, fire hydrant extensions.
Oh.
So you keep your leg at a right angle and just extend.
Addison, I don't have room for that.
in.
Addison's leg is really close to mine.
Oh,
She goes kind of slow. Kourtney's goes fast, so I don't know what to do. I think since we're following Kourtney, I'm gonna do Kourtney.
This is my butt.
Alright, switch to left leg.
I just want her to be toned.
I want a big butt, Madison.
Addison, it's only been 30 seconds.
Do like a 45-degree angle.
My hands hurt.
Like
I think this is
my
gonna get rid of
workout's
actually.
broken into 4 quarters.
I kind of think this is hard.
So
And done.
who knew? Because it's when you do something you're not.
How does my butt look?
Losing them slowly.
You know you hear this and
Wait, fire. I'm done, but they've left me. That's kind of good, actually. It hurt my butt a little bit. Oh, I have to show you guys the snack I have that Kourtney likes. Okay, Kourtney likes this cookie dough. It is the Eat Pastry vegan edible cookie dough. It's chocolate chip flavored. Is it gluten free? No, it's just vegan. But we actually we've had like these in our house for a while. They're so good. We've been buying more like twice a week. So after workout snack here. It's like a big blob of cookie dough. I think you can actually bake it though, but kind of just better eat raw. Okay guys, so that is my diet, eating like Kourtney Kardashian for a day. Overall, I'd say her diet, I mean, it's pretty healthy. It's just a little bit boring. I don't know if I'd eat like her necessarily. However, the chili and the cookie dough were very good. I would get that again. Also, of course, I love the matcha from Alfred's. Would get that again. There were just some very unnecessary things, specifically in the shake that I was like, it's just a lot of money. She spends a lot of money on food. Anyway, I'm excited to eat like myself again tomorrow, but if you want to see me do more videos like this where I eat like a celebrity, let me know in the comments down below. For Kourtney, I couldn't really find much on her workout routine, but I feel like if I did this again, I'd probably do the celebrity's whole workout routine too. I think that could be fun along with the diet. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you are not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday, and I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at @L_Elbells, so go ahead and follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!